Hello, my creative friends. Welcome back to another easy drawing. Today we will draw a sweet little fish. All you need is a pencil and some colors. Colors is not a colorful drawing, by the way, but if you want, then you can add colors some. Don't worry about mistakes. Every fish is special and unique, just like you. So let's begin. Wow, look at our fish, guys. This is so adorable. You did such an amazing job. Remember, your drawing is so special because you made it. If you enjoyed drawing with me, don't forget to like this video and share your fish with your friends. I can't wait to draw with you again. Till then, bye bye. See ya. God bless you all.